Presenting Samsung Galaxy Tab A7, which is slim and it comes with a symmetric bezel body. This tablet weighs 476 grams, making it easy to carry with you. The tablet is available in gold, grey and silver color variants. The Samsung Tab comes with 3GB RAM for a smooth performance. It also features 32GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 1TB to let you store all your pictures and videos at one place. The tablet comes with Wi-Fi connectivity. The Samsung Tab comes with a 10.4-inch immersive display with 2000 by 1200 pixels resolution. The tablet comes with an 8-megapixel rear camera and a 5-megapixel front camera. It runs on Android 10.0 operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 processor, making it ideal for gaming and running multiple apps. Samsung Galaxy A7 runs on a 7040 mAh battery. The box includes tablet, travel adapter, data cable, ejection pin and quick start guide. The product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.